Today I am doing so simple experiment which is direction change. The direction will get it like this. If you put like this direction, it will show negative direction. This means back way. So in this, how we will show you the we required only this paper, and this is normal glass, and one full of normal water. The normal water will filled up with in the glass. Now the direction, how we will change it, we will check it. This direction is showing like this, and we will check it. The direction will change. We will check it. Check it. Yeah, like this, changing this direction. For watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please encourage to me. Thank you for watching.